This is it, October 2025. Your winter arc begins now. And let's be brutally honest. Last winter you wasted it. You said you'd change, you said you'd grind. But you let the cold turn you lazy. You slept in. You scrolled. You made excuses. This year, no more. This year, we flip the script. This year, you walk into the winter arc with fire in your chest. Because this isn't just another season. This is the moment that separates those who talk about greatness from those who become it. And if you think I'm exaggerating, ask yourself one question. Where would I be today if I hadn't wasted last winter? That question should burn in your chest. Because the truth is, you can't afford to waste another one. Winter arc is not a trend. It's not aesthetics. It's psychology. The days get shorter. The nights get colder. Your energy drops. Your motivation fades. And 99% of people, they fold. But here's the secret. The people who win in life, they love winter. David Goggins said it best. Be uncommon among uncommon people. Do you know where that's forged? Not in summer, not in comfort. It's forged in the dead silence of winter. Most people waste these months on Netflix. Parties, cheap dopamine, but the chosen few, they grind. They transform their body when others are bulking on excuses. They build their craft when others are sleeping. Grind. They set themselves up so that when spring comes, they're already untouchable. Let's talk about last year. Be honest with yourself. How many times did you say, I'll start tomorrow? Grind. How many mornings did you choose comfort over discipline? How many goals did you write and never touch again? Eric Thomas once said, when you want to succeed as bad as you want to breathe, then you'll be successful. But last winter, you didn't want it that bad. You wanted sleep. You wanted blanks. You wanted comfort. And what did it cost you? 12 months gone. Dreams delayed again. Opportunities missed. This winter arc. If you repeat those same mistakes, then let me tell you, you don't want success. You want fantasy. Winter arc starts in the gym. The weights don't care if it's cold. The barbell doesn't care if you're tired. The treadmill doesn't care if you're depressed. You walk in weak. You leave stronger. Not just physically, mentally, socially, spiritually. Jocko Willink said, discipline equals freedom. Every rep is not just muscle, it's self-respect. Every early morning set is not just fitness, it's character. If you can master your body in winter, you can master your business, your relationships, your life. So stop saying, new year, new me. Your new year starts now. October is your January. Here's the trap, most young people in America waste winter chasing validation. Scrolling TikTok until 3 a.m. Who rhymed? Demon to people who don't even care about them. Hanging with friends who would never help them build. Jordan Peterson said, if you surround yourself with people who support your upward aim, they will not tolerate your cynicism and destructiveness. grind. They will instead encourage you when you do good for yourself and others. Winter arc is about cutting off the noise. If your circle is full of people who don't push you, then this season, you walk alone. Better to be lonely in growth than surrounded in decay. This winter, you're not just surviving, you're building. Your dream body, built now. Your business idea, started now. Your confidence, forged now. Les Brown said, do what is easy and your life will be hard. Do what is hard and your life will be easy. You can't build a mansion in spring if you don't lay bricks in winter. You can't flex in summer if you skipped every rep in the cold. You can't inspire others if you never defeated your own weakness. This is where legends are born. Not when the sun is shining, but when the world is cold and you refuse to quit. Here's how you win this winter arc. Set your non-negotiables. Gym, work, study. Whatever it is, no excuses. Wake up earlier than the world. Steal hours when others are sleeping. Cut toxic distractions. If it doesn't grow you, it goes. Track your progress daily. Your small wins stack daily transformation. Stay hungry. Re-watch this when your discipline fades. This is not theory. This is not hype. This is execution. Look, this is your moment. This is your winter arc. And if you waste it again, you'll look back in December with nothing but regret. But if you embrace it, if you go all in, if you turn this October into the start of your empire, then next year, people won't even recognize you. You'll walk into a room and they'll ask, who is that? Not because your face changed, but because your soul did. So here's my final question to you. Will you waste another winter? Or will this be the year you finally rise? Because the choice is here. The cold is here. Your winter arc is here.